these are instructions for you to be able to submit a batched PDF document using Google Docs in your Google Drive. So here is all the instructions listed here, but I'm going to go through them. So we will not accept any assignment in Google Classroom unless it is a batched PDF. We cannot read pictures. So the first thing you need to do is take pictures of each page of your homework with your phone. And then you need to email those pictures to either your A5 email address and download them to your Google Drive. And I would actually make a separate folder that said, whatever your math class is called, Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus, whatever it's called, put in their homework. So you always put it into that same folder. Or you can put the pictures directly into your Google Drive from your phone if you know how to do that. All right, so then you're going to open a Google Doc, and we're going to follow all of these rules. So here we go. I am going to open, I'm going to go to my Drive, and then I'm going to click on New, Google Doc, and here we go. So the first thing that you're going to do, you already have the pictures on your Chromebook or in your Drive, one of the two. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to select, I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to select Image. I'm going to choose Upload from Computer, or you could upload from your Drive, depending upon where you put it. So I'm uploading from my computer. Whoops, pictures. Oh, I don't know, we'll choose JoJo since she's adorable. And make sure that your picture takes up the whole page. And so then I'm going to do 2. There's my second page, and I'm going to insert image, upload from computer, and then let's choose my new granddaughter. That's a good one. All right, so you're going to assume that this is your homework. So then what you're going to do is you're going to title this up here in the upper left. You're going to title it Homework Lesson 1-5, let's say. I don't know. And then you're going to go to File, Download. You have all these choices. You're going to download as a PDF. And it is going to go into your download folder. So I'm going to go look to my download folders. There's downloads. And here it is, Homework Lesson 1-5. Then from there, you can go into your Drive and you can select that. So for instance, I'm going to click out of here. If I'm in my Drive, I can go to Add, File, Upload, and I can look for that in my downloads. There it is. Here it is. I'm going to open it up, and lo and behold, it's here somewhere. So from here, then, I can insert that into my Google Drive, and now it's a PDF. It's readable, and I can deal with it. So here's your instructions one more time. You can pause on that if you need to. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us, but it's pretty self-explanatory.